In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change email address on Wix. If you need to update the email connected to your Wix account, the process is very simple and only takes a moment once you know where to look. I will walk you through it clearly so you can make the change without any confusion. Start by logging into your Wix account and opening your Wix dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your site and account details. Once you are on the dashboard, move your cursor to the top right corner of the screen and hover over your user profile icon. This will open a small menu with account-related options. From that menu, click on Account Settings. This will take you to the section where your personal account information is stored. If you are following along, take a second to make sure you are in the correct area before continuing, since Wix has several settings pages and it is easy to click into the wrong one. Once you are inside Account Settings, look for the email address field under your account profile information. This is the text box that shows the email currently associated with your Wix account. Carefully locate that field so you know you are editing the correct information. Next, click into the email address box and type in your new email address. Be sure to enter it carefully and double-check the spelling before moving on. A small typo here could prevent you from receiving important account notifications or verification messages later. After you have entered the new email address, click Save Changes to confirm the update. This tells Wix to apply the new email address to your account. In some cases, platforms may ask you to verify the new email afterward, so keep an eye on your inbox if that happens. That is really all you need to do. Open your Wix dashboard, go to your profile icon, select Account Settings, find the email address field, enter the new email, and save the changes. If you do not see the update right away, give the page a moment to refresh and check that the new address appears correctly in your account settings. That covers everything you need to know.